System Part 1. 1. Mica falls in which type of insulation? A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class Y. Correct answer Class B. 2. Reactive power is not available from A. AC side filters, B. Static shunt capacitors, C. DC transmission line, D. Synchronous condensers. Correct answer DC transmission line. 3. Which motor is used for electric traction? A. DC series motor, B. DC shunt motor, C. DC compound motor, D. stepper motor. Correct answer DC series motor. 4. Insulation resistance is measured in A. in ohms, B. kilo ohms, C. kilovolt, D. megohms. Correct answer megohms. 5. Single phasing preventer is specially designed for A. over voltage protection, B. no voltage protection, C. unbalanced voltage protection, D. under voltage protection. Correct answer no voltage protection. 6. Time taken for a fuse to blow is proportional to A. the current flowing through it, B. the voltage applied to it, C. the square of the current flowing through it, D. the AC voltage flowing through it. Correct answer the current flowing through it. 7. The impedance value of a generator is 0.3 pu on a base value of 22 kV, 150 MVA. The impedance value for a base value of 11 kV, 50 MVA is A. 0.3, B. 0.6, C. 0.15, D. 0.45. Correct answer 0.45. 8. Graphite is used in nuclear power plant as A. fuel, B. coolant, C. moderator, D. electrode. Correct answer moderator. 9. The installed generating capacity of Idaki hydroelectric station is A. 780 MW, C. 660 MW, B. 720 MW, D. 1000 MW. Correct answer 780 MW. 10. The permissible variation of frequency in power system is A plus or minus 3%, B plus or minus 2%, C plus or minus 1%, D plus or minus 5%. Correct answer plus or minus 1%. 11. The highest transmission voltage in Kerala. A. 220 kV, B. 700 kV, C. 110 kV, D. 400 kV. Correct answer 110 kV. 12. The average load factor of thermal power plants in India is 35 to 40%, B. 25 to 30%, C. 80 to 95%, D. 50 to 60%. Correct answer 50 to 60%. 13. If the time of operation of a relay for unit TMS is 10 seconds, the time of operation for 0.5 TMS will be A. 20 seconds, B. 10 seconds, C. 5 seconds, D. 15 seconds. Correct answer 5 seconds. 14. For anti-effect on long overhead line is experienced when it is A. lightly loaded, B. on full load at UPF, C. on full load at 0.8 pf lag, D. on full load at 0.95 pf lag. Correct answer lightly loaded. 15. The voltage of a particular bus can be controlled by controlling the A. phase angle, B. active power of the bus, C. phase angle and reactive power, D. reactive power of the bus. Correct answer reactive power of the bus. 16. A fault is more severe from the viewpoint of RRRV if it is A. long line fault, B. medium length line fault, C. short line fault, D. either long line or medium length line fault. Correct answer short line fault. 17. The insulation of modern EHV lines is designed based on A. Corona. B. The lighting voltage. C. The switching voltage. D. Voltage drop. Correct answer: the switching voltage. 18. The presence of earth in case of overhead lines. A. Increases the capacitance. B. Decreases the capacitances. C. Decrease the inductance. D. Increase the inductance. Correct answer: increases the capacitance. 19. In case of a three-phase short circuit in a system, the power fed into the system is A. Mostly active. B. Mostly reactive. C. Reactive only. D. Active and reactive both equal. Correct answer: mostly reactive. 20. The insulation resistance of a cable of length 20 km is 1 megaohm. Its insulation resistance for 100 km length is 5 megaohm. 0.2 ohm. C. 1 megaohm. D. 2.5 megaohm. Correct answer: 0.2 ohm. 21. The positive sequence component of voltage at the point of fault is 0 when it is A. LL fault. B. LG fault. C. LLG fault. D. Three-phase fault. Correct answer: three-phase fault. 22. Load flow study is carried out for A. Stability studies. B. Load frequency control. C. System planning. D. Fault calculations. Correct answer: system planning. 23. The diagonal elements of a nodal admittance 3 matrix are strengthened by adding A. Shunt inductances. B. Loads. C. Generators. D. Shunt capacitors. Correct answer: shunt inductances. 24. The unit protection scheme provides A. Primary protection. B. Remote protection. C. Backup protection. D. Simultaneous protection. Correct answer: primary protection. 25. The convergence characteristics of the Newton-Raphson method for solving a load for problem is A. Quadratic. B. Geometric. C. Linear. D. Cubic. Correct answer: linear. 26. The number of discs in a string of insulators for 400 kV AC overhead lines in the range of A. 15 to 16. B. 22 to 23. C. 9 to 10. D. 32 to 33. Correct answer: 32 to 33. 27. For a synchronous phase modifier, the load angle is A. 60 degrees. B. 95 degrees. C. 30 degrees. D. 0 degrees. Correct answer: 95 degrees. 28. What is the Ferranti effect? A. Receiving end voltage greater than sending end voltage. B. Receiving end voltage less than sending end voltage. C. Receiving end voltage equals sending end voltage. D. None of these. Correct answer: receiving end voltage greater than sending end voltage. 29. The phenomenon corona is accompanied by the production of A. Hydrogen. B. Nitrogen. C. Ozone. D. None of these. Correct answer: ozone. 30. Corona occurs when the electrostatic stress in the air around the conductor exceeds kV max/centimeter. A. 20. B. 25. C. 30. D. 35. Correct answer: 30. 31. Which of the following statements is false about the characteristics of line conductors? A. High electrical conductivity. B. Low tensile strength. C. Low density. D. None of these. Correct answer: low tensile strength. 32. Which of the following is false about the requirements for insulators are A. Mechanically very strong. B. Direct strength must be very high. C. Must be porous. D. Must provide very high insulation resistance to leakage current. Correct answer: must be porous. 33. Which of the statements is false with reference to improved power factor? A. Efficiency of the plant is increased. B. Regulation of the line is improved. C. Kilowatts capacity of transformers and lines are improved. D. Overall cost per unit increase. Correct answer overall cost per unit increase. 34. Which of the statements is false with reference to parallel running of alternators? A. The frequency of the two systems must be identical. B. The phases of the incoming alternator must be identical with the phases of the bus bar. C. The voltages of the two systems must be the same. D. None of these. Correct answer none of these. 35. Which of the statement is false regarding the Indian electricity rules? A. 74 materials and strength. B. 75 earthing. C. 76 factor of safety. D. 90 earthing. Correct answer 75 earthing. 36. Reactive power is not available from A. AC side filters. B. Static shunt capacitors. C. DC transmission line. D. Synchronous condensers. Correct answer DC transmission line. 37. Which of the following power plant is the most reliable? A. Diesel. B. Hydroelectric. C. Steam. D. Tidal. Correct answer hydroelectric. 38. Which of the statement is false with reference to faults occurring in the stator winding of an alternator? A. Excitation failure. B. Ventilation failure. C. Internal faults in any of the phases. D. Overloading. Correct answer excitation failure. 39. In a star-star connected power transformer, the protective CTs must be connected as A. Star-star. B. Delta-delta. C. Star-delta. D. Delta-star. Correct answer dash. Star-star. 40. Which of the following is false about feeder protection? A. Time-graded protection. B. Distance protection. C. Carrier voltage protection. D. Carrier current protection. Correct answer carrier voltage protection. 41. To compensate for anti-effect in transmission lines, shunt inductors are switched on at A. Substation. C. Sending end. B. Generating station. D. Receiving end. Correct answer receiving end. 42. One of the following is not an advantage of static relays. A. The moving parts and contacts are not greatly reduced. B. High speed of operation. C. High degree of accuracy. D. Low power consumption. Correct answer the moving parts and contacts are not greatly reduced. 43. For an effectively earthed system, the coefficient of earthling is A. 1.00. B. 1.10. C. 0.80. D. 0.90. Correct answer 0.80. 44. The voltage rating of an arrestor is equal to line-to-line RMS voltage x coefficient of earthling is A. 0.80. B. 1.10. C. 1.00. D. 0.90. Correct answer 1.10. 45. Which of the following statements is false about the testing of insulators? A. Flashover test. C. Routine test. B. Performance test. D. None of the above. Correct answer none of the above. 46. For high head and low discharge the water turbine used is A. Pelton wheel. B. Francis turbine. C. Kaplan turbine. D. Propeller turbine. Correct answer Pelton wheel. 47. Which of the following plants is suitable for peak load? A. Diesel engine plant. B. Steam power plant. C. Nuclear power plant. D. Hydroelectric plant. Correct answer diesel engine plant. 48. The fuel usually used in diesel power plant is A. Kerosene oil. B. High-speed oil. C. Light diesel oil. D. Naphtha. Correct answer light diesel oil. 49. The flashover voltage for an insulator does not depend on A. Resistance. B. Temperature. C. Barometric pressure. D. Humidity. Correct answer resistance. 50. The impedance of transmission line on base of 100 MVA, 100 kV is 2 per unit. On a base 400 kV, this impedance will become A4 per unit, B1 per unit, C2 per unit, D 0.5 per unit. Correct answer 0.5 per unit.